Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln(s). Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have ds over s dv. We have s ds over the square root of s squared minus 1. So if we do this integration, we have v equals to the square root of s squared minus 1. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration of the square root of s squared minus 1 over s ds. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, you got about secant of t squared minus 1. Later that we change tan t squared, and then we simplify the square root ds. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have tan t squared. The square root of tan t squared, we have tan t. Later that we simplify secant of t on numerator and denominator. So tan t and tan t, we have tan t squared. About tan t squared, we change secant of t squared minus 1. The integration of secant of t squared, we have tan t. The integration of number 1, we have t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So you got about t equal to arc secant of s. So I will put this one to change for t. And now I will go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And then this is the final answer.